What is up, YouTube? It's Leeton back at you with another episode. In today's video, I got the main man, the one and only, weigh in 300.
Bonjour, Leeton. Merci beaucoup. I'm very excited to be here today, and let's get started.
What is up, Adam? Oui, monsieur, oui.
I'm so excited, Leeton. Thanks for having me on. Let's get this thing going. I'm excited to be here. I've been programming with you for a while, and it's great to actually jump into the video world here. So
Yes.
I'm very happy to be here. Aye, Captain. Set sail.
Yes. In case you guys don't know, Adam is the founder of the Sun Castle Gaming. You see the link in the description below. I've been working with him, and we're on the same mindsets of creating those type of games that bring the educational value to the younger generation and anyone. I think anyone, but mainly they're usually
The youth.
all
The youth have
educational.
the power. The youth are the future.
Yeah, so what you see right here on my screen, Adam can tell you a little bit more about what we got going on here.
Oh, great. So I'm excited that me and Leeton are going to announce the 3-week challenge for Professor Glambug's Nudie Bronc game. So this is a prototype we worked on about 6 months ago, and we're trying to bring it back to life. And so Leeton and I challenged ourselves to finish it in 3 weeks. And so we need to make an ammo inventory system. We need to hide these Nudie Broncs all over this world. We also need to put these bad guys in every crevice imaginable to make the game fun and entertaining. So that's the 3-week challenge. Leeton and I are going to do it. I'm going to see if we can get this game on Nintendo. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah,
So-
maybe even not PlayStation, Xbox.
Yeah, and if not, who cares?
And I said Xbox,
But I'll
because I
try
have
my
one.
darndest. I'll drink as much coconut water as I need to get that thing in there.
Yeah, so I think a little bit more on the game.
Okay.
It's I think the background is really just kind of try to clean the ocean and just teach kids a little bit about the like the corals and
Well,
the
for this
underwater
Nudie
life.
Bronc game, for this Nudie Bronc game, it's a little different than the Coral Museum.
Okay.
This game is more of a kind of treasure hunt, hide and seek. We're gonna hide these Nudie Broncs all throughout these caves that Alex Tingy built and modeled, and I have to also shout out to Mitchell Henry for modeling and animating Professor Glambug, as well as the bonefish and the crab and the starfish. So we've got a really talented team. Alec Henry's also on the team. He was the main engineer behind Glam Runner, which is another game we released on iOS and Android. So we've got a really strong team, about 5 or 6, Leeton included, who are just pumping these things out. So whatever fresh little mechanics you want to add into this, let's do it. But the challenge is 3 weeks. I could probably get Alex and Mitch in there in the next week or so to add some frosting and icing on the cake. But other than that, that's kind of the main idea, Leeton. And any other ideas you have that we can do within 3 weeks, I'm welcome to. My main focus is the art and just making this thing look pretty, whereas you're more the mechanics master, the maestro.
Yeah, so so far what I've done in this game is this targeting system and the character controller, and then also
Yeah.
I can shoot missiles at him, and it does like this heat seeking kind of
Yeah, it looks great.
system. I'm actually gonna release a video right after this one. If you guys check this one out, subscribe so you to get notification on the next one. The next one is gonna be released today, where I'm actually gonna create the enemy AI, because I want these guys to be able to either get upset when you're near them and then they shoot at you. They might even
Yeah.
chase you for a little bit, and then once you run away, I want them to actually turn back and go back to where they're a little smart,
Nice.
you know.
Nice. So we're going to have 3 different bonefish. One of them will have a blue electricity, one has a green electricity, and one has a yellow electricity. And it's a surprise what each one will do.
Oh,
So viewers, prepare. You're in for a scare.
so none of them is really gonna be like a melee, right, Adam? It's just they're all gonna be like a range attack.
Whatever we want, dude. If you want a melee, let's make it happen. Let me know. what you want to do.
I like this one here. He doesn't just like chase after you to try to eat you. We don't want to scare the kids though.
Oh, I mean, we do want a little. We want to scare him a tad.
What about the I want to say squid, octopus kind
Oh
of
yeah,
guys?
yeah. Those are more
Are they
NPC right now.
bad or good?
I'm gonna leave this up to the viewers. Whatever the viewers of your channel want to do, that's the first comment in your channel that says what they want those jellyfish to do. We're gonna do.
Okay.
So whatever the viewers want to do, we're doing.
Oh no. Game creation
But
101.
keep in mind, we have the ability to delete and remove comments as well. So we also have that ability.
Oh no. Oh man. My channel is all about how to create game, guys. This is how not to.
Well,
I have
that's
a
the
game
beauty of
idea.
editing. Lee.
I have a game
If you want to
idea.
edit,
I have a game idea. I know what. Leave your comments below. We'll go with that.
well, let's talk. Let's talk a little bit about Nuss and Noom now.
Ness
Just for a
and
brief here.
Noom.
Nuss and Noom. Yes, let's do it.
If you guys have seen the recent videos, I've been making some character controllers for this game,
Yeah.
and so
So this game's fun because it's based on a few games I played when I was younger. One of them being Gauntlet Legends, another one being Zelda, and another one being Golden Axe on Sega Genesis. So I used to play these games. They're kind of dungeon master, wizardy type games where you're crawling around these secret spaces and collecting and fighting goblins and skeletons. So I wanted to take that idea and make it a little more fun and light and magical still. So I come up with these cute two characters named Nuss and Noom, and each of them have a special power. One of them is like a tropical sun wizard, and the other one is like a dark magical mushroom witch boy or something, you know. So each one has their own flavor, but the world is all based around them saving the world from the perils of a toxic sludge that is making insects all over the world act very strangely. So that's the game. And me and Leighton are working on it now. Alex Tingy, Mitch Henry, and Alec Henry are also helping with the programming. So I'm very excited about this game. And we also have an artist named Jason Cruz who's concepting the game. So that's the brief background behind it.
I'm having fun so far creating this game. I think the next video I'm going to release regarding this game, I have a whole a playlist that's called Nelson Noob, so you guys can check that out. I think there's only 3 or 4 videos in there already. But the next thing we're going to be doing, I just did the camera follow. The next thing I'm going to be doing is be able to kind of like shoot projectiles. Pew, pew, pew. I'm thinking,
Ooh la la.
yeah, I'm thinking not like a super long range, but kind of like almost like a short range. So it kind of like ends at the camera, on the edge of the camera, just ends at that point.
Me gustaría verlo muchísimo. Oh, sorry, I switched to Spanish. Yeah, let's do it, Leighton. I'm so excited. You're the best programmer I know. I'm not even joking. And I want to help out with the inventory system because I program too, and I don't want you to have all the fun.
Right? Okay. Inventory system is yours.
No, it's ours. I need your help. But I'm going to dive in with you.
Okay. Sounds good.
So we need some array lists or we need some dictionaries. What off the bat do you think we're going to need?
We're gonna need something that I like to. It's a singleton structure. So basically,
Okay.
like a script that is just global to all the scripts, and
Okay.
it holds the data of what the character has and
Okay.
what he doesn't have. And so
Yeah.
as he goes between scenes, we don't have to have him in the other scene, but we load him in, and then he simply checks his inventory, basically check that global script to see what has he
Yep.
already collected. That way it's very consistent across all the levels he load through, because we don't kind of like when you're switching between scenes, you don't want to already have the character in the scene and you're just switching scene, but you want to switch
Yeah.
the scene and then load the character in, and as soon as he loads in, he then kind of like refreshes his inventory to see what he already
Yeah.
has collected. And that way when he collects something, we just say, hey, global script, I just got some some strawberries, add that to my list of inventory. But as for data
So what?
type, you are right. We will need an array. Could be an array of
Yeah.
a string array. Could be an array of
Yeah.
objects. Whatever. Full
Yeah.
dictionary. Most likely,
Awesome.
probably like a dictionary array, so we can keep track of like potions
I,
versus.
I'm I'm gonna research a few existing resources on existing templates and start studying what other people have done, and taking what you just said and preparing kind of a solution architecture. But you're the main maestro, but I'm here to support, dude. So just let me know when you want to jump in.
Absolutely.
I'm excited, script man. Let's do this thing.
Absolutely. And I've started a project. I haven't placed it on the cloud yet, so everyone else can access it. I probably should do that soon. Unless you guys have a separate one that you have on the cloud.
No.
No? Okay. And we might even find an asset that could make this inventory thing just, easy.
I'd rather do that. I'd much rather do that. Let's
To
do
be
that.
honest, like I usually try to go with
Oh,
this
goodness,
is how
great.
you create
Yeah.
something, but if it's already created,
No.
guys, don't reinvent the wheel, just make it better.
Perfect. Oh, yeah. I didn't know that was an option. Scratch everything I said. I'm not researching anything.
It's true, guys. I mean, if you're watching this, man, there's no need to create something that's already created. Just take it and make it better, turn it into yours. And that's why the assets, that's why they exist. They're not there to kind of like say that you're cheating or you're copy pasting. They're there because that's something that a lot of developers use.
Exactly.
And they want you to be able to save time in your development journey. So just take this.
Life is short. Do not get stuck in a rabbit hole you don't need to be in.
Yeah. So there's a lot of stuff when you're creating games nowadays. You don't have to look at it like, oh my god, it's hard. There's a lot of it you don't have to
Work
create.
smart. Don't work smart. Don't work hard.
Yeah, I was like, work smart.
If you're
not
stuck,
harder.
if you're stuck, take a little break. Don't stress it. Research too. Research. Look for the answers. Look.
That's right. That is right.
Awesome. Well, I mean, that's basically all I had for the Nuss and Noom realm. I'm glad we covered the Professor Glam bug stuff a little. I'm so excited, Leighton. You're one of the best programmers I've ever worked with. I have so much fun with you. And I'm looking forward to the future. And I've got enough coconut water to give us the energy we need. So we're solid. And I got bananas.
What?
These things are nice. They're so yummy. Yeah. See? You guys getting a good look?
Adam actually has bananas. Okay. He's gone bananas.
And I got coconut water for, energy and health. This stuff will make you a great programmer and a great artist.
Oh, yeah? That's the secret.
Yeah.
All right, Adam, I'll catch you later. Thanks for coming in.
All right, man. You're the man. See ya.
All right, bye-bye, dude. That was Adam. Thank you guys also for watching. Stay tuned for the next video coming out later today with the enemy follow script, enemy AI script, which I'm going to be showing you how to make an enemy follow you, and then once you've gone away or run away up to a certain point, they will turn back and go back to where they were. So if that's something interests you, stick around for that video, and I'll catch you in the next one.